Hi, I'm Sam. Welcome to Bushwhacker and the bike shop at Bushwhacker. I wanted to pass along 3 things that you can do to keep your bike healthy, and then I also wanted to cover some of the things that we do when we do a basic tune-up, which is the most popular service that we do here at Bushwhacker. So let's talk about 3 easy things you can do for your bicycle. First, store your bike indoors if you can. An attached garage is great. Keep it above freezing in the winter and dry throughout the year. Second, keep your bike clean. Not only does dirt and grit cause wear, it also retains moisture, which leads to corrosion. Not good. Third, keep your tires aired up. Look for the pressure range on the side of the tire. If you have a skinny road tire, check the pressure every ride. If you have a wider tire, check at least once a week. Finally, consider bringing your bike into Bushwhacker once a year. There's no charge for an evaluation and estimate. Take advantage of it. Now let's talk about the basic tune-up. Spoke tension is checked and wheels are trued so they roll straight. Rim brakes are adjusted to restore stopping power and avoid drag on the rim. Hydraulic disc brake fittings are checked for proper torque. We also check the torque on a lot of fasteners, including the cassette, disc brake rotors, handlebar stem, crank, and pedals. The most fragile part of any bike is the rear derailleur. That's why we always check derailleur alignment. This is especially important if your bike ever falls over on the derailleur side. You do not want to shift a derailleur into the spokes of your rear wheel. Some bikes need more help, some bikes don't need that much. But when your bike gets the attention it deserves, it'll cover more ground, and so will you. Questions? See us at Bushwhacker. We'll be glad to keep you on the road. Thanks.